Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, it means a lot. Today we are going to be making Louis Vuitton Air Force Ones. I got to cut off some stuff. I got to stitch on some Louis Vuitton leather. It's going to be super cool, very easy custom, but very simple. It's going to be very eye-catching, so let's start. So we got the insole out, we got the laces off, and all I got to do is get my X-Acto knife as well as my seam ripper. Links down in the description if you want your own. And all that I'm gonna do is be cutting off the Nike sign. It's gonna be very easy, very simple, shouldn't take too much. All I gotta do is get pretty much underneath the Nike sign. As you can see right there, we're just gonna be, as you can hear that, I just cut the Nike sign. Look at that, it's already off. So you just gotta do that all the way around. It's gonna be very simple. From there, we're gonna trace out on the Louis Vuitton, get our material ready. As you can see, it's almost off already, so you just got to do this all the way around, and before you know it, you're gonna have your own Nike sign. We're gonna cut this off, trace that on the Louis Vuitton. So as you can see, the Nike sign is now cut off, nice and clean, right off. You don't want to cut any of the fabric, any of the leather underneath that. That's a no-go. So what I did was I cut the Nike signs off, traced them on the Louis Vuitton fabric, cut them out. So now they're nice, cut out, ready to go. What I'm gonna do is get my double-sided tape and I'm going to apply it inside of the stitching. And that's where we're gonna overlay the leather over. From there, we're gonna stitch brown thread. So I'm gonna lay a piece right there, right there, right there. We're gonna lay the leather right over, and it's gonna be super simple. All we gotta do is stitch that right over, and it's clean. So real quick, something that I want to show you. So when stitching this, you got the table in the way, and first of all, you can only really stitch stuff like this if you got the long arm post bed. So some of the shoe patchers, those are the ones that are going to be able to do this. You might be able to do it with the post bed, but with this, as you can see, when you're working this, you want to keep it where the sole is going outward. So my machine is that way, but the sole is outwards, and obviously the reason why is because it gets in the way. So sometimes you'll have to stop the stitch in the middle of it, you'll have to pull it out, and then you'll kind of have to go on the other side. So for example, right here, whenever I'm stitching this part and I stitch right there and I have to turn around, I can't just turn around, so I have to get out of it, and then I have to start the stitch back over here and run it that way. So I pretty much run the stitch from the point all the way down. I stop it down here, then I get the point, start it again right here, and go all the way down right there, if that makes sense, and then do just 3, 4, 5 stitches right across there. It's kind of weird, but that's how you have to do it in order to get the full on stitch. And sometimes the needle will even break on you, sometimes just because of the weird thickness on the inside, especially on the heel back here. So that's going to be a problem that you might face with as well. Just remember, that's going to happen, it's normal. Also, don't forget to use white bobbin. As you can see, this one has a little bit of brown on the inside, but when I do it for the customers, I do it with white bobbin. So just remember that, so it blends in, it looks very nice, it doesn't look ugly. But just remember, whenever you have this in here, go through with the eyelets right here. As you can see, it's super thin, you don't have to scrape it with all the thickness right there, and just go from the point all the way down. So as you can see, the Louis Vuitton is now on. It looks very clean, very nice. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Now all I got to do is put in the laces, put in the sole, and they're all finished. Just like that, the Air Force Ones are all done. Louis Vuitton leather on them, looks very nice. You got the brown stitching, you got the brown leather with everything all white, triple white, but they're looking great. But thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out all my other videos. These are going to be available on my website, so cop yourself your own pair before they're all out. I'm gonna only make a limited amount of these, so get them while they last. But thanks for watching. Share this with someone that would enjoy this. Share it with someone that would cop these. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.